There's many people in this world that will find themselves in a situation that they feel comfortable.
The worst thing that can happen to a man is become civilized. I'm 43, I've done so much. I'm not getting cold anymore, I'm retired. You start making money and you start to believe this shit. You lose that fight, you lose that, why the fuck am I doing this shit? I'm good. You ain't good, man. You ain't never gonna ride.
Average people don't win consistently. Yes, average people do win. It happens. It happens a few times. Not many times, but one thing is for sure is they don't win all the time. They don't keep winning. They secure a victory and then they let it slip away.
Some people don't have longevity. Some people eat, they get satisfied. They eat and they chill for 3-4 months.
But real winners, they win all the time.
Hunters, every time we accomplish something, we're looking for the next one. We're not eating to get satisfied. We're eating out of necessity. I don't ever want to get to the place where I feel like I made it. Because when you still feel like you're trying to reach something, you keep learning, you keep reading, you keep studying, you stay hungry.
Wins don't shock winners. They aren't amazed when they got a win any more than Michael Jordan was amazed when he hit a game-winning shot. That's what he expected. That's what we acted to do. That's what we worked to do. And because of all those things, we expect to win every time.
It's the process, the constant challenge to get there again and again and again is what drives these individuals.
The greatest of all time, the Tom Brady's, the Michael Jordans, the Kobe Bryants of the world. They might celebrate hard, but they don't celebrate long. Come the next morning, they're back at it. They're focused, they're driven, they're enjoying their wins, but they're not over celebrating them. And that's what makes people great. And that's the attitude you have to have toward a single victory if you want to make it a lifestyle and a lifetime of winning.